Hey, welcome back to Chef on Two Wheels. I got a package that came in. Waited for about 2 weeks for it to come in. It's from Thailand. I'll post the link somewhere in the description box. So there was a stuff up before with the delivery, but as soon as I got it rectified, it came in for about 2 weeks. This one's a freebie. This one's like a mirror delete. Let's put it in there. But in Australia, you're supposed to have mirrors. So probably I can use it with if I got a bar and mirrors. But yeah, thank you. This is what I got. So this one's from NST, Thailand. Quick response. The guy who owns it responds so quickly. So this is for your rear set, so it will be a much sportier look. It will be raised up about 2 inches. 2 inches probably. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, and it's got a gear shifter together with it. So let's open this thing up. Nice. So this way you don't need to buy your rear sets. Just have to raise it using the stock rear sets foot pegs. Nice. That looks good. So it'll be like that. And then this one, let's add it to this one. Alright, this one is for the shifting lever. Oh, it comes with two. So you get a spare. Nice. Okay. And the actual shifting lever. I have loosened this one already. I'll be using a thread lock. Keep the threads in. So keep the originals. Okay. This will be like this. So it comes with a separate bolt. Okay. We'll see if I can still use the old one. So there's no instructions. That's the only thing. We'll see if this thing fits. Oh yeah, fits. Ooh, that's dodgy. Doesn't fit. See, that fits it there. That doesn't. Okay, let's check it up again. Looks like I have to drill it. Okay, so after some drilling, because the hole wasn't big enough, get that one. Now it fits. So all we have to do is just attach the original part with the bolts, also with the original bolts to the extension. Okay, that fits. So we'll just see if this fits also. Good. Yep. Wow, that's good. Alright, so immediately that's higher. So originally this foot peg was about to here. Now it's just a bit higher and more the rear. So now we just have to change this. Okay. Let's put it down. And we have to take this thing off. Okay. And we'll keep this just in case we need it in the future. Nope. Okay, definitely that's for that one. Okay. So now my foot is that high. Wow. Yep. Shifts. Yeah, we'll try that one. Alright, we'll go for a spin. So I did exactly the same with the other side, but it's more easier. It's much easier. Just attach the plate and then connected the original one. Very easy, straightforward. Works, so hopefully it works. It's alright. So it's a much higher placement of the foot. Yeah, it's good. We'll go for a spin. So put some Loctite. Okay, that's it. NST. Nice. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Paalam!